Today we are going to make curry with long beans. These long beans are hand broken and washed before preparation. I am using mustard oil here. We will need mustard seeds, cumin seeds, garlic cloves, tomato, ginger garlic paste, some spices, and coriander leaves for garnishing. Heat the oil in pan, add mustard seeds in it and let it crackle. Add garlic cloves, when garlic cloves become golden brown, you can add cumin seed. Add tomato, add turmeric. You can add ginger garlic paste. It is optional. Now you can add hand broken and washed long beans. Cover the lid and let it cook for a few minutes. Check the curry and turn the vegetables occasionally to ensure they do not burn. After a few minutes of cooking, you can add salt in it. Add chili powder as per your taste. I prepare medium spicy curry as my children also need to eat. Let it cook for a few more minutes. Here you can add little water so that curry will not be very dry. And mix it well. Let it simmer for 2-3 minutes and your curry is ready now. It takes half an hour for this whole process. You can check beans are nicely cooked. Now you can add chopped coriander leaves in it and the curry is all ready. For more such videos, subscribe my channel, like and share it. Thank you.